Ever wondered how to set up Google Search Console? It's a tool that every digital marketer should have in their arsenal, but the setup process can seem a little daunting. Fear not, because today, we're going to break it down into manageable steps. Step 1 is to navigate to the Google Search Console page. It's as simple as typing Google Search Console into your search bar and clicking on the first result. You'll be met with a sign-in page. If you already have a Google account, you can use that to sign in. If you don't, it's time to create one. Once you're signed in, you'll be met with a welcome screen. This is where Step 2 begins. Click on the Start Now button, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can add a property. A property in this context is essentially your website. You'll need to enter your website's URL here. Step 3 is to verify your website. There are several methods to do this, but the simplest is to download the HTML file that Google provides and upload it to your website. Once you've done that, click on the Verify button. Google will then check to see if the file is in the right place. Step 4 is to add a sitemap. A sitemap is a file that provides information about the pages, videos, and other files on your site, and the relationships between them. This step is crucial because it helps Google understand your site structure and crawl it more efficiently. Finally, Step 5 is to explore the features of Google Search Console. There's a wealth of information available here, from search traffic data to indexing issues. Take the time to familiarize yourself with these features and how they can benefit your website. So to recap, Step 1, navigate to Google Search Console and sign in. Step 2, add a property by entering your website's URL. Step 3, verify your website by uploading the provided HTML file. Step 4, add a sitemap to help Google understand your site structure. Step 5, explore the features of Google Search Console. Remember, Google Search Console is a powerful tool for improving your website's visibility. It might take a little time to get to grips with, but the benefits are well worth it. So why not give it a try? Set up your Google Search Console today and start reaping the rewards.